The delivery of the second batch of new Su-35 fighter jet 4++ generation to the Russian Aerospace Forces took place on Wednesday, May 8. The aircraft manufactured by the Gagarin Aircraft Plant in Komsomolsk-on-Amur, said the United Aircraft Corporation UAC. Su-35, one of Russia's most modern jets and costing $85 million United States dollars, has passed ground and flight trials and flown from Komsomolsk-on-Amur to a deployment airfield. The manufacturer has achieved a rhythmic production pace this year and is meeting commitments in delivering new aircraft and working towards creating a new batch of Su-35 and Su-57 serial jet fighters, said UAC CEO Yuri Slyasar. Su-35S is a deep upgrade of Su-27, is a super advanced super maneuverable multi-role fighter jet with 5th generation technology. It is distinguished by a new digital avionics complex, a new radar with a passive phased antenna array, and an increased number of simultaneously tracked and attacked targets, a plasma ignition engine with increased capacity and controllable vectors. The engines correspond to 5th generation power plants, as they develop supersonic speed without thrust. It has a reinforced glider and no front horizontal fins and brake covers. Braking when landing is done by turning the steering wheel in a different direction. Now, Su-35S is being transferred to the troops due to its outstanding flight performance and maneuverability. The aircraft's air superiority will destroy ground and surface targets, and in all weather conditions, as well as at a considerable distance from the home airfield, for example towards Ukraine. Behind this context, the U.S. has consistently told the Ukrainian president that promised F-16 fighter jet, a key request for Zelensky in his latest long-awaited aid package, would not be expected until at least the end of June.